to be his special treasure. The Lord did not set his heart on you and choose you because you were more numerous than other nations, for you are the smallest of all nations. Rather, it was simply that the Lord loves you, and he was keeping the oath he had sworn to you, to your ancestors. That is why the Lord rescued you with such a strong hand from your slavery and from the oppression hand of Pharaoh, king of Egypt. Understand, therefore, that the Lord your God is indeed God. He is the faithful God who keeps his covenant for 1,000 generations and lavishes his unfailing love on those who love him and obey his commandments. Deuteronomy 7:6-9.
Were creation suddenly articulate with 1,000 tongues to lift one cry, then from north to south and east to west we'd hear Christ being magnified. Were the whole earth echoing his eminence, his name would burst from sea to sky, from the rivers to the mountain tops, we'd hear Christ be magnified. Oh, Christ be magnified, let his praise arise. Christ be magnified in me. Oh, Christ be magnified from the altar of my life. Christ be magnified in me. When every creature finds its most melody, and every human heart its native cry, oh, in one enraptured hymn of praise, we'll sing Christ be magnified, be lifted high. Oh, Christ be magnified, let his praise arise. Christ be magnified in me. Oh, Christ be magnified from the altar of my life. Christ be magnified in me. I won't bow to idols, I'll stand strong and worship you. And if it puts me in the fire, I'll rejoice 'cause you're there too. I won't be formed by feelings, I'll hold fast to what is true. And if the cross brings transformation, then I'll be crucified with you. 'Cause death is just the doorway into resurrection life. And if I join you in your suffering,